Pace Digitek is again gaining attention even though it just got listed this October. Morgan Stanley has taken a stake. Brokerage Arihant Capital has initiated coverage with a buy rating and a target price of rupees 385, implying a nearly 75% upside from about rupees 225. What the buzz? The company seems to be well positioned to benefit from India's energy transition, especially in battery energy storage systems, BESS, and telecom infrastructure. Pace Digitek's integration of manufacturing, EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction, and BO, build, own, operate, models gives it an execution advantage. The company has commissioned a 5 GWh BESS facility in Bangalore, with potential annual revenue of Rs 32 billion at full capacity, and has secured orders amounting to 2.8 GWh with execution visibility through FY26. India's push for 500 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2030 and supportive policy incentives for energy storage are major growth drivers. With an expected 230 gigawatt-hours of BESS capacity by 2032, Pace Digitek's early mover advantage could lead to significant market share gains. Additionally, the company has diversified into telecom tower manufacturing and power electronics, benefiting from government focus on green power and electrification. Analysts anticipate sustained earnings growth and margin improvements in the coming years. Following this high-profile foreign investor entry and positive domestic brokerage coverage, Pace Digitek is emerging as a key player in renewables and energy storage in India. Don't rush to buy it because of this video or if someone just told you. This was just a part of the stock bio. Don't buy till you have learned more. For more detailed coverage, check the upcoming announcements. Green box, if anything is scheduled. To request a deeper stock bio or for anything else, comment below.